Hi everyone, welcome to TYG Trading. This time I will share about how to trade with MACD. MACD is also an oscillator. This means the primary usage of the oscillator is showing overbought and oversold. MACD is one of my favorite indicators. Its accuracy has been proven for more than 20 years. MACD has two lines, MACD line, the gray one, and the signal line, the red one. MACD is actually telling when two MA are crossing each other. So basically, we trade using MA crossover. There are many methodologies to use MACD. Now we will use the simplest one, which is MACD crossover. The rule is we do long when MACD line cross over signal line below zero. And we will do short when main line cross below signal line above zero. Okay, as now we prepare the code. To speed up the code writing, I have prepared a template, so I don't need to write the whole code every time anymore. After I have placed the template, what I need is to add in some additional instruction based on my previous requirements. Since I'm using MACD, I will prepare the variable for MACD. MACD needs three variables, one for handle, the other two are data. Before we use the indicator, we need to set up the parameters. We use default setting here, which is 12, 26, 9 on closing price. Okay, next. After the indicator is ready, we need to retrieve the data, put into our data variables. Okay, finally, when we no longer need the variables, we just need to free them. Okay, that's all. Now we need to put down our trading rule. So we will do long when there is golden cross below zero. Okay, the MACD less than 0.0. Okay, we will do short when there is that cross above zero. Okay, now the code has been done. I only need less than 5 minutes to prepare everything. Now it's time to test the logic. We run tests for 1 month. just to verify the rule. Okay. Everything is look good. It seems the EA open position based on our rule. Let me verify a little bit. Okay. Now let's try to backtest it on 5 minutes, 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour and daily chart. Let's see how MACD crossing will perform to EURUSD. Here is the backtesting result for EURUSD daily chart in 2024. MACD on daily chart doesn't perform well. This is due to MACD is a lagging indicator. From its trading starts, we had 13 positions in 2024. Look at the consecutive win. We have 2 consecutive wins and 3 consecutive losses. So we can design a more effective risk management to optimize our profit. About the indicator, MACD isn't responsive enough to handle volatility and sudden market movement in the market. On the chart, we can see most of the positions were made in the middle of the trend. It is actually a good thing since it will open a position when a trend is confirmed. So MACD can be used to detect trend on higher time frame. On 4-hour chart, MACD resulting a bigger profit factor. But looking at the consecutive loss win, it tells us MACD have a higher risk on lower time frame. It could be better if we can filter the trend before we use MACD or trading signal. As we can see here, during a downtrend, MACD tell us to buy quite often. On our chart, MACD did a good job. Without optimization, it could be profitable. This is what I told before. Every instrument has its uniqueness to indicator. So every time we look for a strategy, we have to be specific to instrument and time frame. We can see here the profit factor is above 1. That means the strategy is profitable. We need to test the methodology for longer time frame to confirm its stability. This strategy also has 4 consecutive losses compared to 5 consecutive wins. When we manage to optimize the strategy, it will be very good. When we observe the position, MACD is considered a smart indicator. You can find a strategic low and high to buy and sell. On 30-minute chart, MACD performance is close to 1-hour chart. Nothing is new here. Let's try on 5-minute chart. Before we start with 5-minute chart, we try on 15-minute chart first. On 15-minute chart, we can see MACD started to give a lot of false signal. That means we need to do some filtering before we can use MACD. Finally, on 5-minute chart, we can see the balance of right and wrong signal. We need to filter out all the false signal before we can use it further. After we have tried all the time frame, now it's time for making a conclusion about how to use MACD. In order to use MACD, we need to find a good configuration. For example, on EURUSD, MACD can follow all the movement on a 1-hour chart and 30-minute chart. For other time frame, we need to find a better configuration or do some filtering before we using MACD. MACD itself is a promising indicator. It has a stability, but it still needs to be used with a proper risk management. This is all for now. See you again next time. YG out. If you enjoy my contents, feel free to subscribe, and a like will be very much appreciated as well. You may also leave questions in the comment section. I will try my best to answer honestly.